Day pass one by one. Among them, there are most tiring days. People work to find a satisfying day after such tiring days. Only some work is done, but some work means happiness. Creative people find happiness in work. Days with flowers blooming in the sun. Days with heavy rains. Cold days, hot days, anxious days, quiet days. After many such days, a work is completed. I look at the wonderful shapes he creates in the food. I will help him as much as I can. Sometimes the work increases. So, now this has become our life. I hope we will meet many more days. More work can be done. More new creation can be created. So, finding a new and happy life. We are going to the future. Okay then, that's over too.
See you again one day with another new one.
Goodbye everyone.